Welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you step by step how to create a brand new post in WordPress. Whether you're running a personal blog, managing a business site, or just getting started with WordPress, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, you'll see the main homepage where you can explore different tools and features. For now, we'll focus on signing in so you can access your dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the login button. This takes you to the sign in area. Here, choose the option that says continue with Google. Using your Google account makes the process fast and eliminates the need to remember a separate password. When the Google account list appears, select the account you want to use. Make sure you choose the right one, especially if you manage multiple websites or personal accounts. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage posts, pages, themes, plugins, and everything related to your site. For creating a new post, focus on the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the section labeled Posts and click on it. This page shows all your existing posts and gives you options to manage and organize them. To create something new, click the button that says Add Post. This opens the WordPress editor, which is designed to be simple, clean, and easy to navigate. At the top, you'll see a space to add your title. Choose a clear and engaging title that represents the main idea of your content. Below the title area, you'll find the main editor where you can write your post. Feel free to add text, headings, images, lists, or any other elements that help your content stand out. As you write, try to keep your paragraphs organized and make use of headings to separate different sections. This helps readers follow your content more easily and can also improve your SEO performance. WordPress also allows you to preview your post at any time so you can see exactly how it will look once published. When you're satisfied with your writing, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Once you feel confident that your post is ready, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. WordPress will ask you to confirm your decision. After you click Publish again, your new post will go live and become visible to your audience within seconds. Creating and publishing posts on WordPress is a smooth and beginner-friendly process, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to share updates, stories, tutorials, and creative content whenever you want. Enjoy building your blog and continue exploring the many tools WordPress offers to help you express your ideas with confidence. Let me know if you want a tutorial on editing posts, adding images, or customizing your website layout.